Hello, retail enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel RB Creators Media. Today, we're diving deep into an intriguing topic, understanding consumer behavior in Indian retail. The key to success in the retail industry lies in comprehending what drives consumers' choices and preferences. Let's unravel the key insights that can help retailers connect with their customers on a deeper level. Before moving forward, do subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon to get notification of our new videos. Consumer behavior in Indian retail is shaped by a myriad of factors, from cultural influences to economic trends. By understanding these insights, retailers can tailor their strategies to meet consumers' evolving needs effectively. Here are some key insights into consumer behavior in Indian retail. Point 1. Cultural significance. India's rich cultural diversity influences consumer behavior. Different regions have distinct preferences, festivals, and traditions that impact buying patterns. Point 2. Price sensitivity. Price sensitivity is a crucial factor for Indian consumers. While seeking value for money, they are also receptive to discounts, promotions, and special offers. Point 3. Brand loyalty and trust. Indian consumers often exhibit strong brand loyalty, especially towards trusted and established brands. Building trust through consistent quality and customer service is essential. Point 4. Tech-savvy shoppers. With the rise of smartphones and internet accessibility, Indian consumers are becoming increasingly tech-savvy. They research products online, compare prices, and read reviews before making purchasing decisions. Expert interviews on consumer behavior. Expert 1. Understanding cultural nuances is vital for retailers to resonate with diverse consumer groups effectively. Tailoring marketing messages based on regional preferences can lead to greater success. Expert 2. Indian consumers appreciate personalized shopping experiences. Retailers can leverage data analytics to offer personalized recommendations and enhance customer satisfaction. While understanding consumer behavior is essential, it also poses challenges for retailers in an ever-changing market. By understanding consumer behavior, retailers can identify opportunities for product diversification, target new market segments, and build lasting relationships with customers. In conclusion, understanding consumer behavior in Indian retail is a powerful tool for retailers to drive success and growth. By embracing cultural diversity, being tech-savvy, and delivering value, retailers can create meaningful connections with their customers and thrive in this dynamic market. If you found this video insightful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more updates on retail, consumer insights, and beyond. Do follow us on Instagram and Facebook. Link mentioned below in the description. Until next time, happy retailing. See you in the next video.